Hello, followers of this channel. In this video, we will see what is Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft, widely used for data organization, analysis, and visualization. Part of the Microsoft Office suite, or Microsoft 365 subscription, Excel provides powerful tools for managing large data sets, performing calculations, and creating charts or graphs. It is used across various industries, from finance and accounting to research, engineering, and education. Key features of Excel. 1. Worksheets. Excel allows users to work with multiple sheets within a single workbook. Each sheet is a grid of rows and columns where data is stored. 2. Formulas and functions. Excel supports a vast library of formulas and built-in functions, like sum, average, VLOOKUP, if, and more, to perform calculations and data manipulation. 3. Data visualization. Excel offers tools for creating various types of charts, bar, line, pie, scatter plots, etc., to visualize data trends and insights. 4. Data analysis. Features like pivot tables, Power Query, and Power Pivot help with advanced data analysis, enabling users to summarize, filter, and manipulate large data sets efficiently. 5. Conditional formatting. Users can apply rules to format cells based on specific criteria, making it easier to highlight important information, trends, or outliers. 6. Automation. Excel includes support for automation using macros, VBA programming, to perform repetitive tasks. 7. Collaboration. Excel allows for real-time collaboration through cloud integration, e.g., OneDrive, SharePoint, enabling multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously. 8. Charts and graphs. Excel offers various chart types, e.g., bar, column, line, scatter, etc., to help users visualize data and make informed decisions. Common uses of Excel: financial modeling and budgeting, managing and analyzing financial data, creating forecasts, and developing budget models. Data analysis, sorting, filtering, and analyzing large data sets. Inventory management, tracking and managing inventory levels. Reporting, generating reports for business insights or academic purposes. Project management, using Gantt charts, task tracking, and scheduling. Excel's flexibility and extensive capabilities make it one of the most widely used software tools for personal, academic, and business purposes. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel.